Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta salad without mayonnaise. First, select a short pasta like rotini or penne, cooking it al dente for the perfect texture. While the pasta cools, whisk together a simple, flavorful vinaigrette. Combine extra virgin olive oil, your favorite vinegar, and fresh herbs. This dressing will provide a light, tangy base for your salad, ensuring it's both refreshing and delicious. Remember to rinse your cooked pasta with cold water to prevent it from sticking and to cool it down quickly. Next, let's talk about the fresh ingredients that elevate your pasta salad. Chop up colorful bell peppers, crisp cucumbers, and juicy cherry tomatoes. These add crunch and a burst of freshness. Don't forget the herbs. Fresh parsley, basil, or dill can make a huge difference. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding thinly sliced red onion or some briny Kalamata olives. These components will create a beautiful and delicious medley of textures and tastes. To make your pasta salad a complete meal, consider adding some protein. Cooked chicken, chickpeas, or cannellini beans are excellent choices. For a savory touch, crumble in some feta cheese or shave fresh Parmesan. These additions bring a wonderful depth of flavor and richness. If you want to enhance the texture, sprinkle in some toasted pine nuts or sunflower seeds. They provide a satisfying crunch that complements the other ingredients beautifully, making each bite exciting. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled pasta, all the fresh vegetables, protein, and cheese. Pour your delicious vinaigrette over everything and toss gently until every ingredient is well coated. For the best flavor, chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.